Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the ICP update. Today I'm liking it. ICP is alive one more time. It's going back. One of the most controversial coin out there that I like in the bear market is ICP. I'm gonna say that loud. Sometimes I wish I go and do this on public and admit that I do like ICP, and people are going to call me crazy, just for them to know after the end of this bull run why I think ICP is the best. And then they're not going to call me crazy anymore. They're going to say, oh man, I wish we heard this guy in the beginning and this and that. But the thing is, ICP is recovering really nicely. It's actually performing so good. It does look like it's alive one more time again. And the reason why I say it's the most controversial coin is because I am on different Facebook groups. I do silently follow those groups. And when people post about ICP, my goodness, this is the comments that they say, oh no, ICP is worse. We bought it at $400. It's down at literally nothing. And then we sold our money. We're in loss. People are going to say, oh, I bought it at $70. I bought it at $80. I've heard people on my channel, and you guys are attaboy, that you entered at $2 to $3. It's at $9 now, 3x already, and there's so much more to even come. That's just a win-win. And I think, yes, $80 is actually a very realistic target in the next, I think by 2025. Who knows, in 2024 you're going to get an $80. For some reason I think you're going to get it this year, before December. I kind of think that $80 before December. Well, that's just my prediction, right? Nobody takes it as financial advice, but it's just a guess. I'm just giving it a best shot. And by next year, above 100 and 150, and if it does go to 1,000 and 2,000, that's just an icing on the cake. And when people say that this coin is dead, my goodness, that's the exact coin that makes me really interested to buy. When people say this is the worst coin, it's dead, it's done, and it's literally the coin that I made the biggest mistake investing in, man, as a crypto trader, that's the coin you take. Now, let me give you another example. I didn't take ICP only when people were saying this. There is another coin that had the very same comment, and that was SLP, right? I didn't buy big. I have bigger bag in ICP. I just have like a third portion on SLP. And the reason I just took SLP is it's not even a good project if you compare to ICP, of course. But the reason why I just tried that one was because when people badmouth a coin so badly, I just love to try those coins out, because that's exactly the coin that love to melt people's faces. This here, I think really, really highly that it's going to do the same. And one more thing, there's break of resistance as well. Back to the technicals, and you have another resistance that has been broken and has been almost successfully retested right over here. And hopefully, yes, your target is still up to 11.4 in the meanwhile. So when we get to this target up here, we will see what really happens next. And if you're not following, make sure you're just giving me the follow for this update, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.